Hello, welcome back to my channel Geetika Tips and Timely Varieties. Today our video is about how to find day of birth without using phone or calendar.
Hello, welcome back to the session. Now, today I will give you one tip to find day of any date or a day of birth. So, for example, when you are traveling in the bus or train, you will have a group of people. So, whenever you want to attract them towards you, you can have tips like this. So, ask anyone, children will be there in the train. Just ask, what is your date of birth? Then they will say. Then immediately calculate this in mind and say, you are born on so and so day. Then everyone will be astonished. That's the reason why I am giving you a small tip how to calculate the day of a date or a date of birth. For example, I am taking an example, August 29, 1966. For this, you need to remember these codes. January is 1, February is 4, March 4, April 0, May 2, then June 5, July 0, August 3, September 6, October 1, November 4 and December 6. And also you need to remember century codes for the year. For 1900 series, the code is 6. For 2000 series, it is 5. Just because you will be coming across only people born in between 19th century or present century. So that's why, example, let us say the date of birth asked by some elderly person, August 29, 1966. Now, he may be not knowing when he was born, the day he was born. Now, you just see the codes. For August, it is 3. So now 3, 29 as it is, you write it. Then for 1900 series, this is 6. The code is 6. For 66, you write 66. Again here, 66 by 4. This is the procedure you need to follow for any birth date you have to say. First, the code for the month. Then as it is, the date. Then 1900 series will be 6. Then 66 here plus 66 by 4. So, for any irrespective of any series, you have to follow this procedure. Then, so add up all these things. Let's say 3 plus 29 plus 6 plus 66 plus divide this, take a remainder here. So now here you are not going to now divide 66. For example, I am dividing here. So this is 4. Then what will get? 4 ones are 4, 26, 4 6 are 24. Forget about the remainder, you take only quotient, then 6. Add up all these numbers, that will give you 3 plus 29, 32, 38, 38 plus 6, 44, plus 60, 104, 104, it will be 120. Then divide this one by 7 because there are 7 days in a week. That will comes to 7 1 7. So here 50, 7 7 are 49. So then remainder is 1. So therefore it is Monday because the codes are Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6, then Sunday 0 or 7. Whichever you want, you can say. Now, this particular person is born on Monday. So that is an easy way to know one particular date of birth and then ask and then immediately say. But you need to remember these codes. Otherwise, it is impossible to predict the day of birth. Now, I will give you another example. Okay, so that you will have an idea. For example, somebody in 19th century, just now I take an example. Let me take another example at the end of this century. So, October 1st, 1999. Then, what is the code for October? 1. Then, 1. Here, as it is date. Then, what you have done here? You are supposed to take 19. And then, 1900 series. What is 1900 series? Directly write it here. So, that is 6. And then 99 as it is, then you divide this 99 by 4. This is year of birth. Then divided by 4. Add add up all this. 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 99 plus 4 2s are 8. Okay. 6 19. That is 4 4s are 16. Okay. So you are going to get like this. Then here it is going to be 24 plus 6 30. 30 plus 100 131. 131 divided by 7 will give you remainder. 7 1s are 7. 61. 7 8 are 56. 7 7 are 49. 7 8 are 56. So 56 61 means 5 will be remainder. Remainder is 5 means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This particular person has born on Friday. On Friday. So I'll take an example on 2020 also, or 2000 series. Okay. Now let us say July 5, 2020, which is a leap year. This most important, leap year. So now here in this case, whether it is leap year or not, we are not able to distinguish here. July. What is the code here? 0. Then 5. 2000 series. It is again 5 plus year is 20 plus 20 by 4. This is the way in one single step you can write it. So then 5 plus 5. Now write it. 0 plus 5 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5. So now it comes to 10, 30, 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. Remainder is 0. So therefore 0 is nothing but Sunday. So that is 0 or 7 will give you Sunday. One of the conditions which I want to express here, whenever you have a leap year like this, okay, if it is falling in between January and February, then you have to subtract 1 after the result. So that I will tell you an example. Okay. Now, for example, another example, February 5th, 2000. 2000 is a leap year. Okay. Only for persons born in January and February, you have to subtract 1. That you have to remember. Okay. Now, for example, February. What is the code? 4 plus 5 plus 20 series. That is 2000 series. 5 plus 0 0 year divide plus 0 by 4. So now here 4 plus 5 plus 5. This is 0 by anything is again 0. Therefore 14 it comes. So instead of 14 directly you take it, because the person is born in January and February, you have to subtract minus 1. So therefore you will get 13. 13 divided by 7, that will comes to remainder 6. So 6 is again here Saturday. So Monday to Sunday. Monday 1, then it comes to Saturday because remainder is 6. This is the easiest way of attracting the persons in a group, so that like this I am going to tell you some more tips in order to attract the people who are sitting nearby while you are traveling or in a group or in excursion or any meetings. So that is the easy way to attract the people, so that you will be identified in that group and you will be excel. That's the reason why I am giving in this small tip for you. So remembering this one is most important for calculating all this. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity to explain this tip to all of you.
Hope everyone understood the class today. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting updates. First time who is watching my channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting updates, and notifications will be coming up. Thank you.